everyone, we at Youth for Work are back with another video on college entrance exam. Today we will be discussing about Shiv Nadar University Management Admission Test. An MBA degree adds professionalism to your candidature, and where you decide to pursue this management course also matters. Because if the institution in question happens to be as good as Shiv Nadar University, then you can ensure value addition to your career with unparalleled learning experience plus industry exposure. The founder of SNU, Shiv Nadar, is the same person who established HCL Technologies more than 4 decades ago. The university is also known to conduct a management admission test, more commonly called as SMAT, an aptitude exam, and by clearing it, eligible candidates gain admission to MBA programs. Video, we will be focusing on the eligibility criteria for SNU MAT exam. A candidate must hold a bachelor's degree or equivalent with at least 50% marks or equivalent CGPA from any of the recognized universities. Deemed universities, institutions of national importance from a professional body including ICAI, ICSI, ICWAI, etc. Candidates awaiting the result of the final year exam can also apply for the program. In such case, a conditional offer of admissions will be made subject to obtaining the minimum required scores in the final examination. Candidates can also apply for admission based on the scores of these exams, that is CAT, NMAT, SAT, CMAT, GMAT. Let us discuss the exam pattern for SNU MAT exam. The exam is divided into 3 sections. Section 1 is quantitative aptitude, Section 2 is data interpretation and logical reasoning, and Section 3 is verbal and reading comprehension. Each section will carry 20 questions. The duration of the test is 90 minutes. All 3 sections will have multiple choice questions and there will be no negative marking whatsoever. Hi everyone, we will now discuss the tips and tricks for SNU MAT exam. Firstly, go through the syllabus and exam pattern thoroughly. Be in touch with the current affairs. This will help you in the general awareness section. Make sure that the political and historical scenario of India is on your fingertips. One should study regularly and revise the concepts on a regular basis. Make notes for revision while studying different topics. Solve previous year papers. They will give you a better idea about the exam pattern, types of questions, etc. For that, you can refer to the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work.